So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to film yourself for your YouTube videos or your filmmaking videos or whatever videos or social media videos using the Lumix S5 with a Sigma 35 f2.0 and also a variable ND filter. That's my go-to setup. You can use any different type of camera that you want to use. So this is the room that I'm going to be using for my video. I'm going to set up the camera. One thing that I like about the Lumix camera is that you can use an app. There's an app that you can use to link up the phone and the camera so that you can see yourself. So this is what my phone is showing me. So if I decide to go and sit down there, this is what I'll be seeing, exactly what my phone is showing me. So I have to make sure that I'm in focus. I don't like that cushion over there. I'll just make it look normal, so it looks normal. So I have to make sure that my face is in focus using the app. And the next thing I have to do now is to turn on the light because it's in daylight. We're not looking for night light, we're looking for daylight. So with my light, I'm using a one light and I'm going to try to recreate like daylight because the light that's coming from outside is not enough to light up my face. So after turning on the light, this is what my face now looks like. There's only one thing I have to adjust, which is the tripod, because I don't like where it's like cutting a little bit of the top part of my hair. So I'm gonna just adjust the tripod and it should be looking good for just a daylight shoot like this. Just adjusting my tripod that's almost like breaking. So I slightly adjusted the tripod. Let's see what it looks like in the final video. Yes, I'm in focus. Now it looks much better. I will try to add more light coming from this side to motivate that light from outside. So I'm gonna try and add one more light. So this is what the lighting setup looks like after I've added another light. Yeah, this is what the lighting setup looks like. Remember, I'm monitoring with my app. You always have to monitor yourself, especially if you're filming by yourself. If you have another person, you could put the other person then manually focus to make sure everything is okay and set up your lighting. But right now, I'm just showing you what my setup looks like if I was to film myself, if I was doing a normal YouTube video. And also don't forget, if you're gonna use the Lumix S5 by yourself, make sure you've got wireless microphones. Right now, I'm using the audio from the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this is what the final video looks like. If I were to change it in style, right now I'm not aiming for a realistic daylight look. I'm just trying to make my video look good, especially in daylight. So I'm trying to create a fake light, but it's not to the perfect because I don't have the specialist lights that people have, the expensive lights. I just have basic lights overall that are worth under £100. I have a video light here that I'm using that I'll show you in the next video. I've always showed you in my other videos. And I have a small rig light over there that's on 42%. If I want to change it a little bit, I could turn off that light and I'll show you also what it looks like. So when I turn off the small rig light, this is what the video looks like. So you can have different styles, especially if you're filming yourself. It depends on your style of look. One thing that you should always learn as a filmmaker is to find your style, find your own voice. It's good to learn from other people, but other people have their own style. I have my own style. Then just build it up from there. So these tutorials I've been learning on how to light, learning from other cinematographers who are good at their job. I'm still in the learning process, and this is what I've managed to do using the Lumix S5. If you want more videos, more tutorials like this, please let me know in the comment section, and also like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.